behold, we're back up here. We're moving this car, finally.
What's up, guys?
Get this mask.
Oh.
So we failed at getting this thing started. The battery's too dead for us to jump it in gear. So we started just swapping wheels around, and we got all the ABSs piled together. We need to go to the store and get some more lug nuts so we can run an inch spacer on this, and then we're gonna put them on here. And we already had them on here, but we have different size tire that we're gonna run. So we got a full set of Ironman's, a 215 45 that we're gonna swap on, and then yeah, we'll get the car going. But we also are gonna swap the end style seat from here into the S14. So we gotta get some more hardware. So off to the store we go. Save it when they here, welcome to his YouTube channel. After a 7-year-long hiatus, he's back.
This one, it's this one.